Also Nichini in Fit because I did a lot of research. Like you guys have also become friends of mine in a way, Fit. You once working no kahisom kulis Fit. But it seems like Ansa collaborating and when you guys were starting he was there. So what changed? What changed? Did he change? Did you guys get bigger for him?
Life happened. After all computers crash. Relationships fall apart.
And allegedly you were dating Kahiso.
Yeah.
It's not in your was la bantu comment.
Because I've never dated anyone, no.
Oh.
So what happened between you guys and
no, like, okay, as about him. I've dated Smiley, I've dated Kahiso, like, like guys, I don't know.
But you and Fazela would make it.
No.
Keeping Romeo and Juliet.
Stop shipping us, no.
Bonnie and Clyde. Like a 10 out of 10 couple, bro.
Like me and I say, Papa, we won't click. I want someone who's down to earth because me not.
You're out there.
Yeah.
So yeah, Kahiso, I'd like to know about the Bruel. Who can take this one? I simplify.
Or what?
Asluan.
Yeah, but then there's some things we didn't like that he did. And I call a spade a spade.
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I don't like what she did. Wara. And then Ukai lied.
Okay.
And then he turned our players against us. He tried to. Yeah, but I won't say much because Izo Dala I'm a beefs.
Okay.
I don't want that. That's why we don't include
other
his
people.
name and everything we do.
Like you guys are now running solo via like Sananto and Sana.
Not to go to Aksanante. It's collaboration over competition.
That's powerful.
I see and all that, but then what he did to us was not cool.
Yeah. Just with him expose everyone being feed because
and like yeah.
I didn't on Eugene like with YouTube when you guys started. What was happening?
When help, when work as fun.
Yeah.
I understand. Mina ngibona ngathi u bigger than Nina, so unkaya at least the
pass.
Yeah, like some sort of assistance.
Big player.
Yeah, speaking other things.
Oh, Sling. You know about some Kulus.
Before the first interview, you guys came here. You spoke about him and said,
yeah.
And season.
On that, we thought he was helping us. Ne? We thought we were brainwashed. We were brainwashed. Like honestly, we are not used to this thing.
Yeah.
Sharp. Yes, mentor. He was not doing that. He was not. We were actually like happy that he texted because like obviously
I remember first video like ringing with I was happy dog
because I used to watch him
coming to collaborate with us.
But then Mount had to be I would sing a bad mother or what. But guys, you
be aware of people who come into your life but once
yeah, because you're not the only ones who are crying. Yeah, bo.
Is he some sort of gatekeeper? Gatekeeping allegations by a Shaban. Like
he's not gatekeeping. He's
There's a story there. Probably
and we're not painting him as someone who's bad.
It's either he uses people to climb to the top or uza kuwe kuba kanti uzokunceda kanti ufuna ukubhayizisa ukuthi ungamdluli or
uyazibona zonke ozicabanga maybe yizo zonke maybe akusizo zonke phela lapha
so uyazwa ukuthi akushile izinto right akayenza into right feel but like ayikho grand I don't slay dog.
It's not nice. Yabona uma umuntu wazi ukuthi nizosizana umuntu awumlahli nje kanjalo. You still need help from. We might be smaller than him, he might be bigger than us, but one day
this time around every time you chillin' makuleng, you ain't doing nothing. Always talking down on my name like you doing something. This time around I'm darling none. Every time you chillin' makuleng, you ain't doing nothing. Always talking down on my name like you doing something. No more. Relax. Next, humble special pest. Next, humble
Tina fela akasakwazi ukustrike
unblock. Why? Why?
Uvese singene ku 100k. Thina umuntu ongastrike umuntu ona 500.
Kosihlubiso.
What is the strike on YouTube, bro? I'm also a YouTuber, but I'm YouTube.
Community guideline.
So umuntu uya report ukuthi this certain video ayiphume.
That's the same.
It's like uzay drop video. YouTube be take it down.
But someone has to report it.
Yeah, nayi one. Nami noma ngestrike video le.
Okay, the podcast listed we shoot for instance.
Yeah.
Yahamba.
That is
also drop for 2 weeks. Community guideline uqala.
Okay.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Udrop enye video after 2 weeks. Ngistrike community guideline is 2. Which community guideline is full? Which are like you after 2 months or 3 months.
Damn.
No community guideline is for by keeper go YouTube.
Okay, so
ni account yakho bayidela.
Okay, nina ma-strike wenu afike kungaki from Kagiso abengaki? Azange afika to that point ukuthi strike nana. Afike angiphucu ipapa emlomeni phela umuntu maka
fast
leya umuntu ongifundisa ukuthi ukuze bangastrike uyenzini. Umuntu maka-strike ubone ukuthi uba. Yeah, like leya mfana ngiyibonisa ntana leya icaba YouTube.
Yeah, what are some of the things akufundisa zona ntwana esikhifi? Some of the things some of the things was avayo YouTube. What you just spoke. Which is striking. Fez no hafi. Okay, what?
There's a reason why I have caused. Did you see what I was doing right here?
You're taking a seat. It's normal.
I was like deep inside.
You're playing with the imagination.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, I feel. So yeah, dog. I was asking in terms of izinto ozifundile which most people don't know. I didn't know about ama strike ukuthi mangafika ku4 bayevala. What are some things ezifihlekile mara uyacaba wena fela ngithi no bacala kubuza so vele uthuke mnganami mele ringe nawo casual sicima camera some camera la utle
ngiyiswa camera
yeah but what are the things though like singacaba ngeYouTube ukubini wena maybe usuyacaba no
thumbnail
inzini thumbnail fela important
number 1 iyo vele into
ezo attract abantu
yeah
feel
mina ngenze ifeze la versus Chamidon we check video yakho
okay ile
like yawo mechaza
yeah
yangithola from cover vele yawona ukuthi ziyabuya la and yawona bonke ofisa liso yeah uthi yachaza
ile ushana ama part
yeah le part 1 to part 3 ufuna ukungibulala abantu esimali drop amfithi drop
they are waiting for you
and drop every week video bayabona ukuthi hala ampana lapho ngibone lapho umuntu kufakile phakathi back text abantu wena yini
it's many video
they report YouTube yakho man
they're waiting for that one video your highest video fade on the channel giving guys
kela asiyela
mlomya
oyile bayishayela
PMG
akabebala yabona that was trending fade fezela akaresisa ngomnye umntwana la mlahlele ngamasalad and it's like 600k ne
yeah
imagine
607 somewhere there
one video just people talking ass 600 hi shout out to Nino what you guys are doing is very you like out of this world. Imagine after 2 years channel did my numbers as over 10
2 years in
currently now when I watch your channel dog you have 7 million views. Yes, in Sweden, I see 7 million views. If you think you're doing YouTube, go back to your growing board. 7 million views, Slim. That's like an account yeah, and I'm a piano artist, dog. Dog. That's like umuntu big wenza music, dog. Ama numbers angawashaya. But you guys discovered this thing from nothing and made it into something. Mara lento leniyenza feature kings angithanda. Uyazi umkani wami. Why ngadropanga le video de ka January? Ndo umkhazisela ngaso story fit.
Nali video ba?
Uyazi usmile. You didn't know.
Yeah, avela angikhuluma ngikhathile video.
Why?
Ukuze ngikhathi.
Uba ukagizo.
Anga.
That's what
samfaki loyo.
That's why it looks like.
Izwa.
Yeah.